Okay, the beach house. Living room. Kitchen. Laundry room. Bathroom 1. Bathroom 2. This leads you to another bedroom with the bunks. Let's go back this way. Back to your bathroom. Step down into the bedroom. Go down a couple steps to another bedroom. Alright, we're trying to do this fast because I don't want somebody to come back and be like, hey, what are you doing? Go downstairs. You got another bedroom. So all you have 14 beds, I think. 14 beds. I just think this is a nice house. Okay, we seen that room? Place for your supplies. Little fire, little stove in the corner. Yeah. I can see a weekend or a day or two with a bunch of family or church family.